Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is you are installing two new hard drives into your network attached storage device. Your directors ask that they be put into a RAID solutions that offers redundancy over preference, which would use option A RAID 0, option B RAID 1, option C RAID 5, option D RAID 6, option E RAID 10. The correct answer of the question is for a strong emphasis on a redundancy with good storage efficiency. RAID 5 so RAID 6 would be suitable choices. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask there, and our sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.